Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that's quite literally going to reshape the world as we know it. Look, if you've been playing around with chatbots lately and thought to yourself, wow, this is moving fast, well, buckle up. We're peering just a few short years into the future, specifically looking ahead to 2027. I'm going to walk you through 10 bold but entirely realistic predictions drawn directly from our source material on exactly how artificial intelligence will transform our everyday lives, our jobs, our schools, and society at large. It's a truly fascinating look at what's right around the corner, so let's get right to it. Just listen to this powerful quote from the source material. AI is about to change faster in the next 12 months than it did in the last 3 years combined. I mean, that really sets the stakes here, doesn't it? If you already feel like you can barely keep up with the tech news today, prepare yourself. We aren't talking about some distant science fiction future here. The timeline is urgent. These massive foundational shifts we're covering today are happening right now, and the pace of that change is accelerating exponentially. Okay, let's dive into this roadmap. To really understand these 10 predictions, we've organized them into 3 distinct pillars of impact. First, massive tech and industry shifts. Second, work and school transformed. And finally, highly personal AI experiences. Starting right off with pillar number 1, massive tech and industry shifts. These are the foundational changes powering the AI revolution. Let's rapidly unpack these first 4 foundational predictions. First up, multimodal AI becomes the default, meaning AI won't just process text on a screen anymore. It's going to seamlessly see, hear, and interact with the physical world around us. Couple that with prediction 2, AI video generation going mainstream. We're talking about creating high-quality video from a simple text prompt becoming an everyday occurrence, which forever changes content creation. Meanwhile, prediction 3 is that open-source AI catches up, with free, community-driven models rivaling the massive proprietary systems built by the tech giants. And finally, because of all this rapid, unchecked growth, AI regulation becomes serious. Governments are going to step in with major frameworks to manage this absolute explosion of capability. Let's move to and see how this builds into our second pillar, work and school transformed. Basically, how we're going to learn and earn in 2027. Think about your workday today. Most businesses are completely bogged down by human-led, repetitive, manual tasks that eat up huge chunks of time. But our 5th prediction flips that script entirely. By 2027, agentic workflows will dominate business. Instead of a person clicking through endless spreadsheets or manually copying data from one software app to another, AI is going to handle those complex, multi-step business processes completely automatically. Let's pause for a second here, because understanding this specific concept is absolutely crucial. What exactly is an agentic workflow? Well, it's an AI system that autonomously breaks down a complex goal into smaller tasks and then executes them sequentially without you having to constantly prompt it. So instead of asking an AI to just draft an email, you tell it, resolve this customer's refund. The AI agent then checks the store policy, issues the credit in your backend system, and writes the email to the customer, all without you clicking a single thing. It's a massive paradigm shift for the future of work. And because of that incredible business automation, our 6th prediction from the source is definitely a sobering one. Major job displacement accelerates. As these agentic workflows begin taking over routine intellectual labor, a lot of traditional roles are going to be fundamentally altered or just replaced. It's simply a practical reality of this technological wave. Workers, and frankly entire industries, are going to need to adapt incredibly rapidly to stay relevant in a landscape where AI agents are doing a lot of the heavy lifting. And this brilliantly illustrates how the disruption hits the classroom too. The days of a traditional one-size-fits-all education are numbered, because AI in education is set to explode. We're entering a future characterized by hyper-personalized learning. Imagine every single student having access to an immediate, highly customized AI tutor that perfectly adapts to their unique learning style and pace. The traditional educational model is on the verge of a total revolution. Which brings us to our 3rd and final pillar, highly personal AI experiences. The intimate future of human-AI interaction. We're moving from the macroeconomy right into your own home. Prediction number 8 states that personal AI agents become normal. Having a dedicated, highly intelligent AI to manage your personal life, organize your schedule, book appointments, and just sort out your daily tasks is going to become standard practice. Actually, very soon, relying on a personal AI agent will be as utterly normalized and essential to daily life as carrying a smartphone is today. Just imagine finally having an assistant that literally never forgets your mom's birthday, and never double books your dentist appointment. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is tracing that evolution. We've already gone from utilitarian virtual assistants that just set kitchen timers or check the weather to conversational chatbots that help us brainstorm and write. But prediction number 9 takes us into uncharted territory for 2027. AI companions get emotional. The technology is evolving way past simple utility into systems capable of simulating empathy, understanding human emotion, and forming what feels like a genuine, deep connection with the user. Which leads perfectly into our 10th and final prediction from the source material: the rise of AI native humans. This is a profound psychological shift. We're looking at a rising demographic of people growing up treating artificial intelligence not merely as a software tool, but as a primary collaborator and a true companion. Think about that for a second. How will society change when conversing with a hyper-intelligent, emotionally responsive machine is completely second nature to an entire generation? So the crucial takeaway here is this: the world is changing at a breathtaking, unprecedented pace. As you've seen, our tools, our livelihoods, our education, and even our most personal relationships are on the verge of massive transformation in just a few short years. Which leaves us with one really critical question: will you adapt by 2027? Take some time to reflect on how these massive shifts are going to impact you personally. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore these incredible predictions. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next explainer.